Hello, happy Diwali and a very good afternoon to everyone. A new day, a new video from Convoy Cars. This is a 2013 Volkswagen Polo 1.2 petrol comfort line that we are looking at. It's a single hand driven, first owner, 76,000 kilometers clocked, insurance expired, hot hatchback. The number of the car is beautiful. It's 7050 and it's a single owner, as I mentioned. The tires are absolutely brilliant, almost 85 to 90% grip on the tires. We've got the front and rear bumper touch up done on the vehicle. Other than that, the body was scratchless and it has been maintained like that. Just a polish job done on the body, and the car is looking magnificent. It is beautiful and drives very smooth. There is no noise from the suspensions. There is no humming noise inside the cabin from any plastic parts or any body rattling noise, nothing at all. Since this is a 2013 comfort line, so the only thing that misses out from a Highline compared to this one is the alloy wheels and airbags. Rest everything that you get in a Highline comes into this car. So you will get all 4 power windows, power steering, integrated music system, electronically adjustable side mirrors, rear wiper, rear glass defogger, leather seats, whatnot. The car is absolutely fabulous. As you can see, this is the exterior walk around of the vehicle, and there are no dents, no scratches, no damages on the car. I will now take you inside the cabin. We will also take you for a test drive on this car, so you'll know what are the noises that you hear inside the cabin, or if there's no noise inside the cabin, you'll know everything about the vehicle. Keep watching the video till the end. You will also get my contact details and the price of the car, so you can come take a look at the car, take a test drive, and you can also buy it. As you can see, the headlamps are all crystal clear. There is no moisture retention, no stains, no paleness on the headlamps. The fog lamps are absolutely clean and clear. It is indeed a very beautiful zippy hatchback for the city drive. Closer look at the tires. So this is how the tires are. Wonderfully maintained and IT professional's vehicle, very well kept. I liked the car, I liked driving it. So this is the odometer reading, 76,599 kilometers. We have started the car. There are absolutely no malfunctions on the vehicle. It says inspection because there's a service which is required by the car. So that means oil change, oil filter change, petrol filter, and your power steering oil, brake fluid. These are the things that need to be replaced. Otherwise, the interior of the car is absolutely clean and clear. This is the roof lining that you're seeing, which is absolutely stain free, dirt free. These are the seats. This is how the dashboard of a Volkswagen Polo looks like, with an integrated music system, air conditioning knobs at the bottom, and then the steering wheel with a nice chrome Volkswagen logo on it. This is the button that you use for headlamps and fog lamps. So when you turn it like this, the headlamps turn on. When you pull it out, the fog lamps also turn on. And then you turn it off like this. Quickly, I'll take you for a spin on the vehicle. I've already turned on the engine, which is absolutely silent. There's no noise in the car. Since it's a petrol, it must be a silent vehicle, and it is actually meeting all the requirements. We're already on the speed of 50. Pretty fast, pretty zippy, quite smooth. The steering is quite responsive and smooth. Suspensions are great. We just jumped over a bump and there was no noise in the car. Drives really swift and fast. Once again, it's a 2013 make, first owner, 76,000 kilometers driven, petrol comfort line, Volkswagen Polo, 1.2 liter petrol, insurance expired. You can see and take a test drive of this vehicle at Navi Mumbai, Nerul, Sector 19, plot number 37, Kaneri CHS. And you can reach me on 9768 001 006. You can also WhatsApp me on the same number. It's really quite comfortable and smooth to drive in the city. As you've already seen, I've been driving it for the last 200 meters and there's been no noise, no suspension issues. All electricals of the car are working excellent. Once again, you can reach me on 9768 001 006. Price of the car is 3,30,000 only. Thanks for watching it. Bye-bye.